I call it the all-in-one system. I go to one program and have access to pretty much everything that I need. My calendar's in there, my documents are in there. All my contacts are there. I can launch an email from somebody's contact card, or if I have an important email that comes in, I can save it to that case file to have access to it later. So that way, if something does happen to Outlook, it's still there in legal files. It's just, to me, I can tell you right now, I'm not using all legal files. There's more of legal files that I'm sure that I could probably get benefit from that I haven't even gotten use out of. But to me, I open it up when I walk in the door and I don't shut it down until I leave at night. I've got a 2-monitor screen and it's on one monitor the whole time. Somebody calls, I have immediate access to everything in their file. So I just sum it up as the all-in-one. We had another file management software, but nobody was using it. I mean, it was essentially a paperweight. And when you tried to use it, it didn't work right. It didn't work the way we thought it should work. Buying a new server, we kind of went to full-time this homemade file management system that they had come up with before I started working there, which was essentially you stored all your emails in Outlook and you stored everything else in Windows Explorer folders. It wasn't easy to use. It wasn't easy to maintain, at least in my opinion. It just wasn't very efficient. We were sharing office space at that time with another law firm that used legal files, and they had said good things about it. And then Duke, my partner, asked me kind of my opinion on some sort of file management software, and I had used legal files at Liberty Mutual before I came to work with Duke, so I knew a bunch about legal files. And I told them, it's a great program. This is the program we should be looking at. Well, I think they need to find a program that is tested, and a program that's been around, that's got a good following, that's not only has old customers but is still picking up new customers, and that has a good support system behind it. And whose customers will tell you good things. It's funny, I get asked probably 5-10 times a year by other attorneys, what file management software do you use? It's not that attorneys aren't using it, they're just not happy with what they have. One of the attorneys that has asked me that probably 4 times through the years. I think he's gone through 4 different programs. I think getting some input from current users, past users, doing some research about the company itself, and then also, don't go out and look to buy the cheapest thing, because that typically doesn't work out too well.